There's actual newspaper stories from, God, was it like, I believe it's the 1800s? What do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. There are all kinds of newspaper stories about giants in the 1800s.
Newspaper stories about giant skeletons that have been discovered and excavated.
Yes, from the mid-1800s to the early 1900s.
And somehow or another, they all relate to the Smithsonian.
Most of them were associated with the mounds and the mound builders. There were thousands of mounds east of the Mississippi. I mean, people don't realize how many of these mounds there were. And these are, the monumental mounds and earthworks. Some of them still stand today. Not all of them are burial mounds. You have different kinds of mounds. Some of them are effigies. Some of them are platform mounds. But many of them are burial mounds. And many of them contain very prosaic things, like the bones of native people. But some of them were said to have contained some very, very interesting artifacts. And among those artifacts were the bones of giants, according to the newspaper reports. Now,
see if you can find.
There's a lot of them from the 1800s. Yeah,
I mean, there's 10 feet high, 1872.
Yes, yeah, especially in the latter part of the 1800s.
How tall was it, Jimmy?
I mean, it's a
Giant over 10 feet high, according to Lewis and Richard Collins' History of Kentucky.